Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're moving right along with the Christmas Spectacular. Today, we have banana cookies. What you want to do is start off with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and then you want to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, these are 2 medium-ripe bananas that I mashed up with a masher. Add in a 1/4 cup of butter that has been melted, either on the stove or in the microwave. Add a 1/2 cup of white sugar to the mix. And it's Christmas time. You always gotta bake. Even if you don't normally bake, and I'm not much of a baker myself. Then you want to add 1 egg. All right, and then get the paddle attachment on. Lock it in place and just mix this around till everything is well incorporated. It's not going to take very long. And yeah, this should be about the consistency of the batter that you want. Okay, so we've preheated the oven to 325 degrees. And now it's time to, for lack of a better term, assemble the cookies. Now, I would recommend making them smaller. When I got this recipe, it said when you make them, you basically put 3 tablespoons worth of batter down. This netted only 6 cookies. Now, the cookies are huge, but it's still only 6 of them. And the only other thing I would do differently if I had to redo this is add some mini chocolate chips to the batter. That's just me. So basically you want 3 tablespoons down. And as you can see here, have your 6 cookies. We'll pop them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on where you live. I put mine in for 17 minutes, and they were almost overdone. So, again, I don't know if it's just the extra sugar or what, but these things do cook quickly. All right, we'll see you at the final product. And thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, these cookies are done. At one point during the baking process, I did sprinkle, this is completely optional, some red and green sugar sprinkle things on top of the cookies. And that's really it. So banana cookies, done.